Magic Beans. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing a three-part comparison of baby wraps, including the Baby Katan, the MOBY WRAP, and the ERGO EMBRACE here. So if you have any questions about these products or other products, always feel like you can reach out to us by calling us at 617-383-8259, or even using MBeans' email address, questions@mbeans.com, or even just throw a little comment down at the bottom and we'll get back to you real fast after that. For now though, we're doing a comparison of baby wraps. With all three of these, and you can see I have a demo of the ERGO EMBRACE here and a Baby Katan carrier over here, all of them are really excellent, this including the MOBY WRAP, who I think a lot of people give kind of a harsh name to sometimes when they say it's too much or too complicated to learn. All of these have their place, and deciding what kind of carrier is best for you is actually kind of simple. The MOBY WRAP has been around forever. In various incarnations of this, we've always carried our babies throughout all of time, and a large piece of fabric, like this one, is how we've always done it. And we've done it for a good reason. It fits everybody in your family, anyone can use this, and depending on how you want your baby to sit and how old and how developed they are, there's a bunch of different sits and postures to take in a MOBY WRAP. And it's kind of infinite at that point. So everyone that likes the wrap, that likes that nurturing, keeping them close skin to skin, does well in a MOBY. I do think sometimes that you should always start practicing before the baby's born, right at the point where the baby's new and tired and you're tired. It's kind of a lot to learn. So you can either learn on your own through this video, or you can reach out to us again at any of those channels for help in how to use the MOBY WRAP. The Baby Katan, on the other hand, really sits on your body the same way. The finished product of a MOBY WRAP and the finished product of a Baby Katan are really the same thing. This one is smart in that it gives you half as many steps. It's 2 interlocking rings, and it creates this nice body X across you, the way a MOBY WRAP does. The downside of this is that while it may take less steps to get on you, it's done by your clothing size pre-pregnancy. So moms or dads or family members of different sizes or even really heights, you can't necessarily share this between the two of you, so you'll be doubling up on a product occasionally. So that's not terrible, but it is kind of one downside. Beyond that, you get the same nurturing abilities and same multiple carry positions that the MOBY WRAP would give you. So for a lot of people, if you don't have a partner who's going to take this from you and try to fit or squeeze their body into it, the Katan could actually be really perfect in the end. The newest one we have is the EMBRACE here by ERGO. ERGO has always been around, ergonomic. They've always done really good support for your body and for baby's body. And when they did the EMBRACE, they kind of wanted you to have something kind of between the two of these things. Something that, like a MOBY WRAP, would let multiple members of your family wear it in a couple different settings, but kind of like a Katan, cut down half the work. And in that, they did it really brilliantly. You put the straps on, there's a little waist belt, like a very traditional one, but it's super stretchy and very comfortable and super easy to put on. All of these carriers are excellent, so it's kind of like deciding who in your family is going to use one, how long you're going to carry for, especially for sizing of children. This changes sizes really nicely. And then deciding how mechanically inclined maybe you are, or even just how stressed you are. If you have other older kids running around, maybe it's not the perfect time to learn the MOBY WRAP, but if you have the time, always check out a MOBY WRAP. And if you have any other questions, you can always reach out to us at any of those channels. I'm Diana at Magic Beans. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.